it's not really something that I've overcome. It's more something that I'm learning to like to deal with a bit better. But it's like comparing myself against other people, which I do like all the time. It's really hard not to do it. Like you compare your music against other people, you compare your like success against other people, and then even outside of the creative industry, like you compare your life situation against other people. And I think if I'm given too much time, if I have too much time on my hands, I go into this bit of a spiral, and I'm like, oh, I'm not where that person is, or I'm not where that person is, and that can be really hard. And it got to a stage where it was stopping me from like even writing songs. Like if I sat down to try and create something, it would get to a stage where like, oh, but that person wouldn't do it like this, so like maybe, and they're definitely more successful than me, so maybe I should do it a different way. And but it takes all originality out of your work, like, you know. So I guess that I've definitely only in recent times kind of learned not to do that, that like everyone is on their own journey, and yeah, those people are successful, but they've gotten there doing their thing, and that's unique to them, and that's why they're doing so well, because it's unique to them. And yeah, so I think, and also a phrase my brother told me, which is compare and despair. I just think that's so good, because it really is true. Like you can't, like, as long as you're focusing on yourself and you're like setting your own targets, I think that's where you're really sort of grounded, and you can achieve what you set out to achieve and be like content with it. But it's taken me a long time to learn that, and definitely still have a few slip ups every now and then. But that's when you turn your phone off and stop being on social media.